powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Weber Q1000 and a Nexgrill 3-burner, and I'm a bit stuck. Can you help me compare them?
Sure thing. I can definitely help. What are you looking for in a grill?
Well, portability is a big one. I want something I can take camping, but also use on my small patio. And, ease of use is important.
Okay, so the Weber Q1000 is definitely the portability champion. It weighs only 27.5 pounds and is much smaller, about 16.5 DX 27 inches, WX 14.5 inches H. The Nexgrill, on the other hand, is a hefty 82.9 pounds and measures 22.99 DX 50.31 WX 46.81 H. So moving the Nexgrill around would be a chore.
Wow, that's a huge difference in weight. So what about cooking power? Is the Weber powerful enough?
The Weber has a single burner producing 8,500 BTUs with a total cooking area of 189 square inches. The Nexgrill boasts 3 burners totaling 40,500 BTUs and a much larger 591.05 square inches of cooking space. So for larger meals or feeding a crowd, the Nexgrill has a clear advantage, and the Weber is smaller and less powerful.
Okay, that makes sense. What about the grates and overall build quality?
The Weber uses porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Nexgrill uses porcelain coated cast iron grates, a stainless steel frame and firebox. Both are designed for durability, but the Weber has a very high rating of 4.7 with many reviews, while the Nexgrill is a bit lower at 3.8 with fewer reviews.
So the Weber is smaller, more portable, and has more positive reviews, but the Nexgrill has more cooking space and power.
Exactly. The Weber is great for smaller households or on-the-go grilling, whereas the Nexgrill is better suited for families or people who frequently entertain.
What about the ignition? Is one easier to start than the other?
Both have push-button ignition. The Weber calls it push-button, and the Nexgrill uses one-button ignition. So, starting either grill should be simple.
Okay, this is really helpful. I think for my needs, portability is more important. Thanks for breaking it down.
You're welcome. Glad I could help. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.